Congrats, you made it through the onboarding, and now it's time to actually install either the Oxygen MCP server or the CLI. So if you get onto this homepage, you can select the CLI section here. And as you can see, we have two steps to complete to get up and running. So the first one is installing the CLI. And this only works if your Node.js version is above 22.22 and your NPM is installed and is also up to date. And for this, if you don't know how to set it up, you can actually use Claude Code or Codex help to install this whole dependency. So for this, once you have these two dependencies installed, what you can do is just copy this prompt here, and you want to open the terminal of your choice. So on Mac, it's the terminal. On Windows, it might be Shell. And PowerShell, I think, exactly. And if I paste this into here, what should happen is that the Oxygen CLI will get installed, and I will be redirected to this page, which will create a CLI session for me. So this has been done successfully. So if I navigate over back to this CLI, what you can see is I'm authenticated correctly with my account and with the profile that I have and the organization. I have multiple ones available to me, so the CLI can switch between organizations. And in case something goes wrong, a quick tip is that you just paste the input back to Claude Code and ask it to help you set it up properly so that it works, and reference the docs that we have. And aside from this, once you're done, now that we have the CLI installed, what the next step should be is we should head over back to the home section, because the second step is pasting the onboarding prompt, which should get you up and running with your organization faster, because it will give you a couple of instructions. It will analyze your context, which we have here in this section here. So what you want to do is choose your application of choice. This can be Claude Desktop app, this can be the Codex or Claude Code CLI, which I personally prefer. But for the sake of this video, what you can do is you paste this prompt in here and you enter, and then you will get started, because you will get personalized recommendations by Claude Code based on the context that has been stored from the onboarding. So with this said, if you have any questions, reach out to us. We're glad to help you get up and running as fast as possible, and enjoy flying with your new GTM OS.